We'll guide you through how to make and add yours template on Instagram. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Making your own add yours template is super simple. So to go and get started, you need to start by creating a story on Instagram. So click on the plus at the bottom and select story. Now what you can do is you need to go and have a photo as the background. This photo doesn't matter too much as other people won't be using it in the template, so just have it as whatever you want really. Now what you need to do is go to the top and click on the stickers button, and you can click on add yours templates just like so. And it says anyone can add to this template and see other stories added. So now we can go and get started. So all you want to do is click on next in the top, and you want to go and click on the text, and you want to go and start typing in different text and adding photos that you want to go and add to the template. After you've added some text or photos, you then want to go to the top and click on the pin button, and you can then go and choose what you want to go and pin. Just go and click on it, as you can see, and it will go and say pinned. Once you're happy with it, you can click on next in the top right, and you can then go and post it onto your story like so. Now just to show you what it will look like for other people who want to go and use your template, I'll click on the story now, and I'll go and click on add yours. And now as you can see, they can go and take their own photo with their camera now, or choose one from their camera roll, and it will then go and appear beneath it. It's that simple.